Good morning, everyone. We'll start this session in another 40 seconds. Once again, a very good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. Before we go ahead, disclaimer for this podcast is that whatever stocks we discuss are not intended for investment advice, should be taken only as an for educational purpose. Let's start this podcast by looking at how the overall market structure is and what are the levels we are looking into. Um, Yesterday's action was very weak. You can see Nifty fell more than 0.2% and volume was also higher than the previous session. So it has qualified both the rules for the distribution day. Hence, we have considered yesterday's session as a distribution day. Currently, distribution day count is at 4. And also Nifty, I can see the green line is a 21 DMA. Nifty breached it's 21 DMA as well in the yesterday's session. So by going by the accumulated weakness in the market, we have downgraded the market status to uptrend under pressure. That means, as the name says, currently market is in uptrend under pressure. So there is some pressure, that is selling pressure in the market. So our additions will be less aggressive, and we additions will and our only stocks which are giving very strong breakouts and fundamentally, technically, they are looking good, then only we'll be adding them to our model portfolio. And talking about the current holdings, if any stock moves sideways or underperforms the general market, breaches shows some signs of weakness in this market, will exit those stocks. So mostly there will be removals on our holdings rather than additions. From here, we would like the Nifty to reclaim its 21 DMA and also make a high above the current rally high, that is above this level. Then we'll be changing the market status to uptrend again. On the flip side, that is on the downside, if the distribution increases, distribution day count increases to 7 or 8, and if the Nifty breaches its 50 DMA, then we might change the market status to downtrend. In such a scenario, we'll be exiting all our holdings and we'll be staying in cash. Because most of the stocks, that is 3 out of 4 stocks will follow the general market direction. So we'll be adding stocks only in confirmed uptrend, and we'll be removing stocks in downtrend, so that our probability of winning will increase when we are adding in confirm uptrend. Some of the key stocks which are in the news overnight are Aster DM Healthcare, subsidiary, that is a Medcare Hospital, has acquired a 60% stake in a Dubai-based healthcare for 1.67 crore dirham. So this stock will be definitely under radar today. TVS Motors, a major motor automobile company in India, has received a shareholders approval to sell its entire stake of more than 50% in Sundaram Holdings. If the with this entire sale, the company will receive 370 crores because of the stake sale. M&M, another automaker, has planning to raise nearly $500 million for electric vehicle push. They have also lined up a few electric vehicle launches in the coming years as well. So the company is betting very big on the electric vehicle theme. So this and also the stock is definitely outperforming major peers and also general market. This is a very positive for this stock as well. FIS have sold equities more than 2,500 crores yesterday. On the other side, domestic investors try to give support to the market. However, they are not given enough support. They have bought only 260 crores of equities. Now, that is the reason there has been major fall in the markets. Coming to global markets, you can see the global thing, that is rising inflation rates, pushing all the central banks to raise interest rates. The Bank of England, which has raised the interest rates previously as well, has increased their key benchmark rates by 50 bps. However, this is less than the 75 bps expected by the market participants. Other major European company, European bank, that is a Swiss central bank, has raised rates by 75 bps. So overall, you can see Europe, American countries, and Asian countries also. Everywhere there has been this theme, that is rising interest rates, which is a not so good sign for the economy. For the economic push, we would want the interest rates to be on the lower side. Rising interest rates will definitely bring down the spending by the companies and individuals as well. Uh, Talking about Indian rupee has hit a fresh low of 81 rupees against a dollar. This is not so good sign for the Indians because we are a major importer. We are net importer compared to the exports. Overnight, is global market, that is a major US markets have closed lower with 0.4 to 1.4% lower. Dow and S&P 0.4 and 0.8% lower. Nasdaq has closed more than 1.4% lower. Asian markets are also taking big global cues, and they are also trading in the negative territory as we speak. Shanghai is down 0.8, Hang Seng 0.7%. Kospi is relatively more down, that is 1.6%. Brent crude is trading currently at $50 per barrel. It's a slight positive for Indian economy because we are net importer of crude oil. If the Brent crude stays below $100 per barrel, then it is good for our finances as well. US 10-year Treasury yield has been increasing because of rising interest rates. Currently, it is trading at 3.71%. The last year it was trading at 1.7 or 1.8%. So there has been more than 2% point rise in the Treasury yields. SGX Nifty is also indicating a weak opening for the Indian market, tracking global cues. Nearly 100-point lower opening we can expect on the Indian market as well. Nifty closed around 17,630 yesterday. So we might see 100-point lower opening on the Nifty. If that lower opening is sustained and if the Nifty continues to fall, then we might remove few stocks from our model portfolio, which are underperforming. Chart of the day, we have picked Schneider Electric. You can see even though the market was very weak yesterday, the stock gave a very strong breakout and closed above its ideal buy range. Volume was also very high. Base pattern was also very good. You can see during the base formation, volumes have stayed below average, which is a very good sign. On the right side of the base, you can see there have been some blue candles which are above average, which is also a good sign. Other parameters about the stock are also looking very good. Master score of 82 indicates good fundamental and technical profile. EPS is slightly lower because the September 2021 quarter it has reported a negative EPS and sales have declined. Apart from that, it has reported a very good set of numbers, double to triple digit growth on the EPS front. Technical parameters like RS rating of 84 is a very good indicator, and ABID rating of A plus is a top notch rating. So technically the stock is placed very well, and fundamentally also the stock has done very good in the recent quarters as well. Overall, we like the story. However, the market is not conducive for this editions. This is a slightly more volatile stock when compared to other stocks. So also this is for only educational purpose. So, we are not advising to buy or sell. We are just trying to explain our real methodology here. Thanks for joining today's pre